It's the final Saturday of KYL, Volume 2. What do you want to know today?
Hello Lily. I heard there are serious penalties for GST violations. What happens if you make a wrong move there?
That's a complex area, but it basically boils down to Sections 73 and 74 of the CGST Act. They're like the rules of a chess game, ensuring everyone plays fair. Section 73 deals with unintentional mistakes or omissions in GST filings. Imagine you forgot to declare some sales because of an oversight.
That sounds serious. What's the penalty?
The good news is, if it's not intentional, the authorities are somewhat lenient. You'd have to pay the tax due, plus interest, and possibly a minor penalty if you don't correct it within the given time frame. Now, Section 74 is for more serious offenses, like deliberately evading taxes. It's like knowingly making an illegal move in chess.
And the penalty for that?
Much steeper. You'd face a significant penalty on top of the tax owed and interest. It reflects the seriousness of intentional tax evasion.
So, honesty is the best policy. What if someone realizes their mistake and wants to correct it?
That's encouraged. Correcting your filings voluntarily can lead to lower penalties, especially under Section 73. It's about being proactive and responsible.
Thanks Lily. It's clear that understanding and following the rules, whether in chess or GST, makes a huge difference.
Exactly, Jack. See you in the next volume of KYL. Till then, stay tuned to know your law with us.